Yeah. Let's go.
Here's, I'm gonna text you out when you take off.
Oh wait, hold on.
Texting out!
You okay?
Yeah. Taking off! Got it!
That's good. Yeah.
Back off the throttle, when I go back into it, it takes like a couple seconds for it to react. It's not like a prop plane.
Yeah, it's just barely. And with these, you barely even noticed because they're overpowered for what they are.
Can you please see what time I have on my
I gotta turn yours so you can hear it. Does this one not talk?
No.
It says 146. You're good.
It sucks. It only has a tone.
You can have it vibrate and tell you when it's done.
Alright.
Let me show you how to set that up when you're done flying. Because it'll beep you can have it buzz every second,
Yeah.
or I mean not every second, every minute, and at 30 seconds, and then when it's done.
Yeah, I like the DX9 and the DX18 because it talks to you and
Yeah.
it tells you everything.
I thought that did too.
No,
Okay.
the other one does.
Okay.
The other one tells you it vibrates and everything.
Yeah. What did you set your timer for?
3 minutes.
That's too short for this plane.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm just doing it just to be safe.
Yeah. Were you using a 4000?
4,600.
Yeah. You can fly for at least 4 minutes.
Alright, well then I could just probably put it to 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yeah, on mine, because this uses the same fan that my.
19 blade or 18 blade?
No, it's not 18. It's a 12 blade with 1850 kV. I use it in a few planes, and I can get 6 minutes flight time with it. If I'm not flying full throttle, you can. It does. Good. It's a good beginner plane. Once you get the hang of this, you can fly any jet.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is fun flying jets. I'm glad that I'm getting into this.
It's different, and it's a totally different experience.
I love how it makes that sound.
So you're down to 5 seconds, but I wouldn't worry too much. You're still good. Actually, you're a little over. It's all right.
Alright. Landing! Left to right! Go down. Do you want me to put 1 notch of flux down?
No, I don't think you need it. Just come in. Because there's wind, it'll make you do weird stuff. Just come in.
Good?
Yep.
Throw it off?
Yep. There you go. Perfect. Good job. You can actually go slower than that planned, but you're getting used to it, so you'll get it eventually. Go ahead and turn it back. Come on, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. There you go.
Is that good?
Yeah, it was good. I'll send it to you when I upload it. Just if you want to see it on camera, you got to fly closer.
Alright.
Your fan's way out of balance too. We got to get that fixed. No, just leave it here. I'm not going to do that today. But I'm just saying we'll try to fix it.
Good.
Let me see your radio. Take your radio off.
Like a boss, George.
Thank you.